This video details how to generate a form you can print out and fax in for use with the Acorn toolkit. We recommend using mobile forms over our other formats, as mobile forms are quick and easy to use and get into our system faster. To see the video that details how to generate mobile forms instead, click on the card at the top right corner. Log into Acorn. Cursor over the Forms menu and select Printable Forms. This will take you to a page for creating your form. If your organization uses sites, select the site ID this form will be used at. Your clinician ID should show up here. You can opt to print a client ID on most forms, or you can leave the field blank and fill it in by hand. Select the form you want to use and hit Generate Form. This should generate a hyperlink that you can click on to pull up your form. You can then print out that form. Once the form has been filled out, you can fax it to the number located on the bottom of the form. Note that with print forms, it will take 24 to 48 business hours before your data shows up in the toolkit, so you may need to give it a day or two before you can expect to see your data show up. Once you've submitted a form, the final step will be viewing your data. This video here will go into that process